Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for February the 5th. I'm meteorologist Carl Bonak, and the low early this morning at the National Weather Service site near Negaunee was tied for the coldest of the season, last set exactly 1 month ago, January the 5th at 16 below. The high, though, recovered to 15. We put it together, and temperatures were 14 degrees below average today, and we weren't all that far off the record high of 18 degrees set 43 years ago in 1972. And some other lows across the UP, 14 below at Chatham. It was 18 below at Garden Corners, minus 23 at Wakefield, and our coldest we could find from our weather watcher at Peavy Falls, 24 below zero. And temperatures now cold, bitter cold across northern and central Canada. However, we don't expect that to surge into our area over the next several days. That's because the flow aloft is becoming west or west-northwest aloft, and over the weekend we expect that to hold. What that means is that there should be some mild air not far off to the west and south of us. The real cold air stays to the north will be right between the boundary between the warm air to our south and the much colder air to the north and northeast. That leaves the door open for some waves of low pressure to produce snow. Right now it looks like the best chance of accumulating snow would be sometime on Saturday into Saturday evening. Tomorrow we're expecting this front to slowly sink to the south, and behind it, well, we look for partly to mostly cloudy skies, lighter winds than today. And even though this is labeled as a cold front, it really doesn't look all that cold. In fact, temperatures should moderate a bit further most locations, and there could be some light snow and flurries. Then on Saturday, with the front down to our south, there will be that disturbance that should set off a band of snow. We'll see exactly where this narrow band will be placed because, of course, that's critical to snow accumulations. The trend of the models has been a little bit to the north, so that means the southern UP could escape this, but it's still a couple of days out. Something to keep an eye on. Where it does snow the most, 3, maybe up to 5 inches of snow could occur. On Sunday, the system moves farther south the front, and a wave of low pressure will likely produce the accumulating snow in the southern Great Lakes for us, with an east or east-northeast wind, strong cold high pressure to our northeast. That means some light lake effect is possible, especially in the Copper Country. Your TV 6-day forecast. Afterwards, it looks like temperatures near, maybe even above average briefly next week. The next system rolls our way starting Tuesday with increasing cloudiness, and then some snow will probably occur Tuesday night. The transition to colder will start on Wednesday.